Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2015 Indian Vintage. The 111 cubic inch Thunderstroke engine and a 6-speed transmission. This bike comes equipped with that signature desert tan leather, a detachable windshield, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, and more. Previous owner also installed a CFR exhaust, which sounds great. This bike has under 10,000 miles, only 7,535 miles. And let's listen to that exhaust. Sounds great. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.